Before we go deeper, let's clarify one essential idea. CPMAI is not designed as a linear methodology. It is intentionally iterative because AI projects evolve through learning, not through fixed plans. If your AI project is linear, it is already misaligned with reality. In AI initiatives, you cannot plan everything end-to-end upfront. Data quality, model behavior, and real-world usage only become clear as the project progresses. This is why linear planning breaks AI projects. Iteration is required in AI projects because too many critical elements are unknown at the start. AI solutions depend heavily on data quality, on how the model actually behaves, and on how the system is used in the real world. None of these factors can be fully predicted up front. They only become clear through testing, deployment, and feedback. That is why iteration in CPMAI is not optional. It is a necessary mechanism to progressively reduce uncertainty. Iteration in CPMAI does not mean chaos or constant rework. It means structure and discipline. Iteration is about testing assumptions early, learning from real results, and adjusting decisions based on evidence, not opinions. Each iteration exists to reduce uncertainty and improve decision quality. This is why CPMAI treats iteration as structured learning, not as trial and error. In CPMAI, iteration is triggered by clear signals. For example, when data assumptions fail, when model metrics do not reflect real business impact, or when users consistently override model recommendations. These situations are not mistakes, they are feedback mechanisms. They indicate that the project needs to learn and adjust. Recognizing these signals early is essential to keeping AI projects aligned with reality. CPMAI uses iteration as a control mechanism, not as rework. Iteration allows teams to reduce risk early, avoid sunk cost decisions, and improve decision quality over time. Instead of committing blindly, the project continuously checks whether assumptions still hold. This is how AI projects stay governed, aligned, and under control even under uncertainty. Iteration in CPMAI is intentional and governed. It is how AI projects stay aligned with reality as they evolve. If you want a full breakdown of this logic, including exam-style scenarios and practical examples, you will find them in the complete PMI-CPMAI course on Udemy. The link is available in the description.